Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your AirPods serial number. So if you want to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So literally all you need to do is head over to your iPhone, and once you've done that you want to go into Bluetooth and you want to make sure that your AirPods are actually connected with your iPhone. So that is currently what I am going to do. As you guys can see right now, my AirPods are connected. Now once that happened, all you need to do is click on this little icon next to connected right here. Then you can change a lot of information about your AirPods right here, but if you scroll all the way to the downside right here, we can see our iPhone serial number. I do have to blur this out right now because this is basically pegged to your own device, so I would not recommend sharing this. However, this is how you can actually find your serial number of your AirPods. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.